Advantage number 3: better than SEO. Most carpet cleaning businesses do not spend the money required for SEO to be seen on page 1. SEO has many advantages. However, when compared to LSAs for carpet cleaners, maybe not so much. SEO may get you page 1 presence, but you may still be lower down on the page, where no one ever sees you. But with LSAs, you are seen on page 1, and right on top of the page before the ads and before SEO-enabled sites. So LSA puts you above SEO-optimized sites, which is a definite advantage. Also, it is not as expensive as SEO. Advantage number 4: you get to have as many calls to your business as you wish. Advantage number 5: if you get too busy, or if you have something else to attend to, you can slow down the calls for a few days. We have several businesses adjusting their ad spend that way. This way you are not wasting calls and not wasting your ad spend. In the next video, I will share with you the disadvantages businesses face with LSAs. SBO.com. Text me carpet calls to 805-600-3335 for your free ebook.